Running a small business means juggling a lot of documents, from invoices and contracts to marketing materials and reports. That's why PDFs have become one of the most reliable tools for business owners today. In this video, we'll talk about how small businesses can use PDFs to manage operations more efficiently, communicate professionally, and stay organized in a fast-paced work environment. One of the biggest advantages of using PDFs in small businesses is professional presentation. Whether you're sending a proposal to a client, a contract to a supplier, or a price list to a partner, PDFs make your documents look clean and polished. The formatting stays consistent on every device, giving your business a trustworthy and organized appearance. First impressions matter, and a neat, well-formatted PDF goes a long way. PDFs are also incredibly helpful for streamlining operations. Many business documents, like invoices, receipts, order forms, and reports, need to be shared quickly and reliably. PDFs are lightweight, easy to open, and compatible with almost every device. This makes communication smoother, especially when working with clients or partners who use different platforms. Another major benefit is security. Small businesses often deal with sensitive information such as contracts, financial data, or client records. PDFs allow you to add passwords, restrict printing or copying, and prevent unauthorized edits. These built-in protections help keep your documents safe and maintain client trust. PDF editors also offer powerful tools for signatures and approvals. E-signatures make it easy to sign contracts, approve proposals, and finalize agreements without printing anything. This speeds up the entire process, especially when working remotely or handling urgent transactions. No more delays waiting for someone to print, sign, scan, and resend a document. Small businesses can also take advantage of PDFs for record keeping and organization. By storing important files as PDFs, you create a secure digital library that's easy to search, sort, and back up. You can organize folders for invoices, employee records, contracts, marketing assets, and more. This keeps your workflow smooth and prevents document loss, especially when you're handling multiple tasks at once. PDF editors make it easy to combine or split files, which is useful for creating business packages or breaking down large documents. For example, you can merge a proposal, pricing sheet, and company profile into one professional PDF. On the other hand, if you have a long report, you can split it into smaller parts for easier sharing or reviewing. Another helpful feature is form creation. You can turn PDFs into fillable forms for customer feedback, order forms, employee onboarding, surveys, or registration sheets. This saves time and helps you collect information in a clean, organized, and digital format. No more handwritten forms to decode or manually encode. PDFs are also great for marketing materials. Brochures, product catalogs, menus, and flyers look crisp in PDF format. They're perfect for sending to customers, posting on your website, or printing anytime you need physical copies. With PDFs, you can maintain consistent branding and layout across all your materials. Overall, PDFs are more than just digital documents. They're practical business tools that help small businesses work smarter, stay organized, and communicate with confidence. Whether you're managing finances, marketing, client communication, or daily operations, PDFs can simplify your workflow and support your business as it grows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss more small business friendly guides like this one.